Hi everyone, this is Mr. Ladnek, and I want to ask you today, have you thrown away your microfiber cleaning cloth as yet? Today, I want to tell you why you should throw away your microfiber cleaning cloth. So, have you ever seen a janitor or custodian cleaning at probably your workplace and you've observed that the microfiber cloth looks a bit dinged, it's probably has a lot of black marks all over it? Well, I want to ask you a question. Do you believe that that is very sanitary? Would you use that same cloth to wipe your kitchen counter, your desk before you eat? So how many of you are aware that microfiber cloth actually holds germs and bacteria? A study was done that indicated that microfiber cloth needs to be sanitized and washed at 60 degrees Celsius. Which means that your service provider needs to have a laundering system where they take the old cloth from your sites and then they bring in new cloth. And upon doing that, the old cloth goes into a washing machine at 60 degrees Celsius and is then laundered and then dried and then returned to your premises. I want to ask you something. Are you aware of that type of process being done in your facility? Let me tell you guys a story. There was a time at Ladnek where we actually used microfiber cloth. Our microfiber cloth used to look like this. And I'm sure some of you can show me cloths like this in your facility right now. So what we used to do was actually leave a small pack of detergent with our custodians to clean this cloth at the end of their day or at the end of the work week. And what we realized is that when we did our inspections, the cloth used to be exactly like this. And to us, in no way that could actually be healthy or sanitary. And by extension, we would be compromising the service and quality that our customers are paying for. So we threw this away. So we introduced disposable hydrogen cloth. What this cloth allows us to do is extremely absorbent, it's durable, and the key important thing about this is disposable. So we are getting rid of any germs and bacteria that we would have picked up when we are actually sanitizing. So this cloth is actually 12 by 12 inches in diameter, and it's actually very sturdy and durable, as you can see. I'll show you guys how durable it is when the entire cloth is actually saturated with water. So it's very absorbent when it comes to water, and it's still very durable, as you can see. If this was informative to you, please like and share.